Hello students, in the previous video we learned about the division of monomial by monomial and division of polynomial by monomial only. So in this video we are learning about division of polynomial by binomial. Division of polynomial by binomial. So first you keep in your mind that when dividend is given to which we are dividing, that is called the dividend. So when dividend is given, first we have to write dividend in the descending order of their indices. In the descending order of their indices. And if any term is not given, means when we are writing in the descending order of indices, if any term is not given in that, then these terms coefficient we have to take as a 0 only. Because when we multiply by 0, then the answer is 0 only. Just I am giving one small example here, and then afterwards we will take this example. Suppose here x square plus 2 is given, x square minus 5 is given, and we have to write in the descending order. This is, I am talking about the dividend, not divisor. Dividend, if dividend is given, then or if it is like this, 5 plus x square. Then first we have to write in the descending order x square plus 5. But now in this one term is missing. If one term is missing when we are writing in the descending order. So x square, after x square there should be x raised to 1, that is x term only. And if it is not given, then we have to write as x square plus or minus 0x plus 5. This is only for dividend, not for divisor. X square plus 0x plus 5. So then afterwards only you have to divide. Now this, in this example, 3x minus 3x square minus 12 plus x raised to 4 plus x cube. Now this we have to write in the descending order of their indices as first highest term, highest index, that is x raised to 4. Which sign you have to write? Then plus x cube, then minus 3x square, then here sign is not there, means this number is positive, plus 3x and plus 3x minus 12, that is the dividend, divided by here also x square plus 2. Here also one term is missed, but in divisor we cannot change anything, we cannot take the extra term if any term is missing in the divisor. Here already all these terms are here, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Means all these terms are here. Now we can divide. So first we have to write in this form only. X raised to 4 plus x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 12 divided by x square plus 2. Now when we are dividing, first, before that also we learn first term of the dividend divided by the first term of the divisor, which is binomial, because two terms are here and it is a binomial. So first term of the dividend divided by the first term of divisor. So this rough calculation I am doing here only. X raised to 4 divided by x square, which is equal to, now this x raised to 4 divided by x square means that is x raised to 4 minus 2, which is equal to x square. This rough calculation, when you are solving sums, you have to also write at the right side only. Don't do this mentally. If you are doing it, okay, no problem, but sometimes we are missing this number, sometimes in missing sign, so this also you can do in the right side only, this rough one. Then here we have to write x square, which is the question. So x square into x square, that is x raised to 4. Now we have to multiply this by this question to this divisor's second term of divisor also, because two terms are given. So x square into 2, that is 2x square. So when we are writing this product 2x square, we have to write in the below the like term only, or in the same column of like terms. So here it is x cube and here it is x square. So this answer, which product we got, which is 2x square. So x square and x square, which are the like terms? Like terms means variables are same with the same index. So we can write in this column only. So x square and here 2x square, that is plus 2x square. Here is nothing, so we have to write 0 only. Now here in division subtraction, minus, and here also this sign will change, minus. Here if you are changing sign, there is no use of that, because 0 is having plus or minus sign, there is no change. So this x raised to 4 minus x raised to 4, 0, plus x cube and here plus 0, that is plus x cube only. And here minus 3x square and here it is minus, it will become minus and minus, both are negative numbers. So we can add and give the common sign, which is minus 5x square. So this next term we can take down 3x. Now this x cube divided by, again the first term of divisor only, x cube divided by x square. You will get here x only. 3 minus 2, that is x raised to 1. So here it is plus x. Plus x. So here it will come x cube. Then x into 2, that is plus 2x. So this 2x you have to write in that column only. 2x only, plus 2x, and here it is 0. Again subtraction, minus, minus, and here also minus, here also minus. So this x cube will cancel. Minus 5x square and minus 0, that is minus 5x square. This 3x minus 2x, that is plus 1x, means here x only. 3x and here minus 2x, because plus 2x we got, x into 2, 2x, and this plus and this minus, this is positive, this is negative number, so we have to subtract, and here we got x, and next number is here minus 12. Then first again minus 5x square divided by the first term, that is x square only, which is equal to minus 5. This x square will cancel. So here we will get minus 5. And here again minus 5 into x square, minus 5x square. Minus 5 into plus 2, that is plus into minus, minus, and only 5 to the 10, means only constant is there. So we have to write in that last column only minus 10, and here will come nothing. Minus, because of this minus sign, this sign will change, plus, minus, and again here plus only. So minus 5 plus 5 square, 0, that is here plus x, and here minus 12 plus 10, that is minus 2. So x minus 2. Now when we divide this x by x square, then it is not a polynomial, because you will get the index of that answer. That question is x raised to minus 1. So that is the remainder. That is the remainder. So here remainder, here question. So in this way we have to divide polynomial by binomial. Keep in your mind, first you have to write the dividend in the descending order of their indices. This also divisor also you have to write in the descending order of indices. If any term is missed in dividend, then we have to take coefficient of that term 0 and we have to write that term and divide. Here we are using laws of indices to divide the variables. I hope you have understood this method, divide polynomial by polynomial. Thank you, students.